In this video, I will show you how you can edit the PDF files of your iPad using the Preview app. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Files app. And in the Files app, just select the PDF file which you want to edit. And after you select the PDF file, it will automatically open in the Preview app. But for example, if the file did not open in the Preview app, then in that case, just open the Preview app on your iPad and you might see this interface. Over here, just tap on Browse, then just tap on Browse one more time and you will open the Files section. And in the Files section, just select the file which you want to edit. Now just select it to open it in the Preview app. Now to edit files in the Preview app, you can tap on the mark icon over here and you can use any tool from the available over here and you can mark over the PDF file as you like. Also, if you have a form or a place to fill, just tap on the fill icon. And over here, you will be able to fill any form if there is any. Just like that. And if you want to add a signature, just tap on the plus icon over here and select add signature. And in this section, just add your signature. Just like that. After that, just tap on done and place the signature to wherever you want. You can increase or decrease the size of the signature as you prefer. After that, just tap on anywhere on the screen to save. Now if you want to crop into the page, just tap on the crop icon over here and you will be able to crop into the page. And if you want to rotate the page, just tap on the rotate icon over here and you will be able to rotate the page as you like. Now for example, if you want to change the order of the pages in your PDF file, just tap on this icon over here and you will open this section. Now just drag the page to the top or to the bottom and you will be able to change the arrangement of the pages in the PDF file, just like that. Now to add a new page, just select the page after which you want to add another page, then tap on the three dots over here. Now, as you can see, you have a lot of options. Now to insert a new page, just select Insert Blank Page, just like that. Now after you do that, you will insert a blank page in your PDF file. Now if you want to delete the page which you have entered or if you want to delete any other page, just select the page which you want to delete, then tap on the three dots. Now just select Delete Page. And this is how you can edit your PDF file using the Preview app on your iPad. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.